Welcome to Born Again Motoring. My name is Hart Rush. I enjoy the art of driving, and my goal here is to reach people with the good news, or as it is called, the gospel, while showcasing my favorite hobby, driving. Through my driving journey, I've had the pleasure of owning many different types of cars. My current vehicles are an AP1 S2000, Porsche Macan, and a 2022 Platinum Hybrid Tundra that I use as my daily. Each car that I've owned over the years brought a different experience to the equation, whether that be positive or negative. Part of learning to drive is figuring out what those things are and exploiting them to become better. That, to me, is where the joy comes from. It is my hope that on this channel, a community will be built. A community of those that share the same passion for driving and the things of the Spirit, and that we will connect to exchange those experiences. And because I've owned various platforms, from rotaries to V8s, I would hope to also aid those in their decision making on which platform they may be considering. Additionally, I'm a sim racer that's been influenced by Initial D and various driving culture from the 90s to the 2000s, so you can expect a ton of content and references from those eras. I appreciate you taking the time to stop by. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the road. We did it. S2000's arrived. Just arrived at the house. Fun times.